There's an old hotel in town, one that people whisper about but rarely visit. The kind with dim hallways, peeling wallpaper and a front desk clerk who looks like he hasn't blinked in years. It's cheap though, and for someone like Daniel, who just needed a place to crash for the night, it was perfect. The clerk handed him a tarnished brass key. Room 306. "Just don't go near the last door on the left," the clerk muttered as Daniel turned away. Daniel paused. "Why?" The clerk didn't answer. Daniel took the elevator up. The third floor smelled of dust and something rotten. He ignored it, dragging his suitcase toward his room. But as he walked down the hallway, he saw it. The last door on the left. The number plate was missing. The wood was scratched, like someone had tried to claw their way inside, or out. A chill ran down his spine, but he shook it off. Just a dumb superstition, he thought. Inside his room, everything was off. The furniture was outdated, the mirror was too dusty to see his reflection, and the window wouldn't budge no matter how hard he pushed. Then came the knocking, not from his door, from the last door on the left. It was faint at first, a soft tap, tap, tap. Then it grew louder, insistent. Daniel froze. Was someone locked inside? He hesitated, then grabbed his key and stepped into the hallway. The air was heavy. The dim light overhead buzzed. He approached the door, heart pounding, and reached for the handle. It was ice cold. Suddenly, bang! The door shook violently. Daniel stumbled back, breath hitching. Then he heard it. A whisper so close it felt like someone was breathing against his ear. "Help me!" Daniel turned and ran back to his room, slamming the door shut. He locked it, bolted it, even pushed a chair against it for good measure, but the knocking didn't stop. It moved. To his door, tap, tap, tap. Daniel held his breath. Then the knob started turning. Slowly, click, 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 he backed away. The knocking became pounding. The whispers turned into desperate, garbled pleas. Then, silence. Daniel waited. 1 second, 2. The door burst open, but the hallway was empty. He didn't question it. He grabbed his bag and ran, past the broken door, past the flickering lights, straight to the elevator. As the doors closed, he saw it. A figure, standing in the hallway, watching him. No face, no eyes, just a gaping mouth, whispering 2 words. "Thank you." No one knows what's behind the last door on the left. No one ever sees who knocks. But if you listen closely, you might just hear them calling for you next. There's an old hotel in town, one that people